These are the uses of machines in woodwork. Spraying machine. The spray gun, developed originally from the airbrush, is used for less delicate work, such as applying lacquers, paints, varnishes, shellac, and other finishes to manufactured articles. Spray guns are available as stationary equipment for painting automobiles, furniture and appliances. Lathing machine. Known as the mother or machining tools, lathes can be used for a variety of purposes. These include shaping, drilling, sandiking, knurling, turning, cutting, and deformation. This kind of versatility in a tool is hard to beat. That's why so many metal and woodworkers depend on lathes for the basis of their work. Cross-cutting machine. The crosscut saw, also known as radiate arm saw, is mainly used for cross-cutting large boards of solid wood into smaller manageable lengths. In essence, it is an upside-down table saw. The majority of its work is cutting wood into lengths, squaring the ends of material, or removing defects such as knots. Router machine. A router is a tool used to hollow out a piece of wood, metal, or plastic. LT can cut grooves, fancy edges, or patterns. There are two types of routers: a fixed base and a plunge base. A fixed base router is set in place once the bit is locked in. Dimension machine. Dimension saw, panel saw. This saw has a smaller counter-rotating scribing bland undercover plate before blade that can be used to improve the quality of the cut by preventing spelch. This is particularly important for meager splintering may be a problem. Jointer machine. A jointer is a woodworking machine used to flatten, soothe and square the edges of lumber board. It corrects material defects, like warping or cupping, and in cabinet or furniture projects, prepares board edges for gluing and fastening. Most woodworking operations can be performed mechanically or manually. Drilling machine. Drilling machines are used in the second phase of wood processing, producing holes or slots in solid wood, and are mostly for industrial applications, woodworking and furniture production. They are employed to construct groups of several holes on the insides of closets and wardrobes. Planing machine. A thickness planer, also known in the UK and Australia as a thicknesser, or in North America as a planer, is a woodworking machine to trim boards to a consistent thickness throughout their length. This machine transcribes the desired thickness using the Dowjut as a referential index. Jigsaws. Jigsaws are best used for cutting shapes and curves in wood with its narrow blades, which is attached to the tool's body by a spring-loaded clamp at the front. The blade's sharp teeth are measured in TPL, or teeth per inch. A higher TPL gives a smoother cut that requires less sanding. Nail gun machine. A nail gun, also called a nailer, is used to drive nails into materials such as wood or for upholstery. The nail gun does the job of the hammer and nail in a simple, precise, and much faster manner. Kiln drying. Kiln drying is typically used to bring the wood's moisture content down to less than 20%, making it suitable for burning. The kiln drying process also helps to remove impurities taken up by the wood during the growth phase, thereby further improving burning efficiency.